Welcome back, friends of the goat. So we got a new video today, and we're going to learn how to simplify the expression. Okay? Pay attention to those words, right? Simplify. Okay? So we ain't even going to worry about what x is. Okay? Or a is, or what y is, or what b is. Okay? I don't care. Right? Your teacher doesn't care. No one cares what it is. Alright? We're just going to take this problem, and we're going to simplify it. Alright. So it's real important, right? So here's the problem we got. We got 6a plus 3 minus 5 plus 2a. All right. First things first. You can only combine things that are like each other, right? So it's like Kanye and Taylor Swift, right? They don't like each other. Can't be near them, right? It's Drake and Meek Mill. Can't be near them. Okay. So let's do it. What looks the same? Okay. Looks like I got a 6a and I have a 2a. Two things that I like. I can combine them. Let's do it. 6a plus 2a. Get your calc. Nah, I'm kidding. 8a. So look, we got the 6 is done, and the 2a is done. Okay? The only thing I'm left with is a plus 3 and a minus 5. Do they look the same? They each don't have a letter next to them. I think they're the same. Okay, so let's get your calculators out, and I want you to put in 3 minus 5. I'll wait. Not long though, not long. All right, 3 minus 5, minus 2. It's negative 2. You got that answer in your calculator. I'm proud of you. So we got 8a minus 2. And that's it. That is it. We don't have to worry about what a is. Nope, don't care. Just here to simplify it. Friends of the goat, welcome back. Here we are. We're at part 2. We're simplifying, right? You did the first part, and I was proud of you, right? Because we did it together, and it wasn't that bad, right? But now, I know how things go, right? So you think you're cool, you're chilling, and then it escalates. Things escalate quickly, right? All right, so let's take a look at it. We got 4x plus 3, parentheses. Are you kidding me? Parentheses, x plus 1 plus 5. All right. First things first, we're going to simplify, right? We're simplifying. So we're not figuring out what x is. We're just going to simplify. So what the goat's going to do and what you're going to do is we're going to get rid of that parentheses. And it's real simple, right? We remember our distributive property, so we're just going to go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to, just to keep things organized, we're going to start with the 4x. We're just going to bring that down. And then we're going to do plus. And now let's distribute this property, right? 3 is this property, and we're going to go ahead and distribute it. Right? So 3 times 1x. 3 times 1x, that's simple. That's 3x. Boom. That's in. Next thing we got to do, right? You got to do 3 times the 1. All right? 3 times 1. Are you serious? Are you serious? Put that calculator down. 3 times 1 is 3. And then we're just going to bring down the plus 5. He's just hanging up by himself back here, right? So we're just going to bring it down and let him join. There he goes. There he goes. He's in. He's in. All right, now stay with me because we're right at the end. We are right at the end. You made it. All right. So the only thing we have left to do is combine like terms. Okay? We're just going to combine them. So if it has a letter, we're going to combine it with another thing that has a letter. Right? If it don't got a letter, we're going to combine the things that don't have a letter. All right? It's that easy. Right? And we are lucky. They're right next to each other. All right? So we got 4x and we got a 3x. Right? 4x plus 3x. Okay, that's easy. That's 7x. Bang. Put it in. 7x. Look what's left. These are gone, right? Combine. Okay, only thing up there down is a plus 3 and a plus 5. So you have 3 plus 5. All right? Just pop it in. 3 plus 5. 8. There's your answer. It's 7x plus 8. Again, we don't care what x is, right? Nobody cares, right? We just are here to simplify. And simplify is what we did. That's how we do it. I'll see you next time. Hit that subscribe.